Good morning, bird brains. Forgot my hat. Hold on. Good morning, bird brains. That's better. So, welcome back to the garage. Today we are going to be working on Roadblock's bike. But before we can do that, we obviously need to do a little bit of cleaning up around the garage. Got my dirty car in here. We got the Sportster that's in the middle of a build series that you guys haven't seen yet. Oh my God, is my lens that dirty? Whoa! Oh no. Is that better? Yeah. My workbench is a total mess. He's on his way over now with the parts and the bike. So before he gets here, we're gonna go ahead and cut to a quick garage cleaning montage and go. Alright, so we got the bike up on the lift now, and I'll let Roadblock kind of tell you guys what we're doing since I actually really don't know that much.
So, we are installing new handlebars. Put me on the spot, get shit content.
Alright, we're gonna install new handlebars, I guess.
Don't lose your rubber spokes. Now, there's a pin right here that if your bars do not have these little gaps right here cut in, you either have to pull this guy out or hammer it down.
Fun fact.
I had to hammer mine down.
Hammer time.
On your comment for that performance bagger?
No.
It's like, find me some sponsors.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, every time I try to get you sponsors, you look elsewhere, so.
What are you talking about?
As in like bars and everything else.
Well, I want specific bars. That I can't help. All right.
Well, then you can suck your specific sponsors, sir.
Sign. It worked.
All right, so quick update here.
So we got the bars put on, no issues, hour and 45 minutes. We didn't have to, but we did. We used the extenders from Harley-Davidson for the wiring. When you're doing the clutch line and the brake line, you do have to go in and cut a, what do you call them, a zip tie off of the riser clamp. So cut both of those off. It gives you plenty of room. You don't have to worry about it. When you're running these, you want to make sure that the hoses, so this right here is a clutch reservoir, and this holds clutch fluid. And this is because it's a hydraulic clutch.
Oh,
all of them that have one of these is a hydraulic clutch.
Gotcha.
But you want to make sure this line runs behind the bars and not in front, because then you don't have to worry about tangling it up. This over here, this is a brake reservoir just in case. Same thing.
Wait, so it's a throttle brake or clutch?
Throttle clutch?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. A throttle clutch reservoir.
Does it have a double one like the stunt riders have? A double brake clutch?
No.
Okay.
Because that'd be stupid.
Oh, okay.
Next, we're going to be going off and doing floorboards. So these are the Kuryakin Riot floorboards. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, Riot. And we're also doing the Kuryakin Riot shift pegs. Not sponsored. So on these clamps for your clutch reservoir, there's a little peg that has to go into a pilot hole. We had to shave that off on both sides because these bars, which are custom bars, did not have the hole already in there, the little guide hole. So we just shaved them off using the Dremel. There we go.
Words.
Shaved them off, threw these on there, worked perfectly. Moving on.
That's not the words.
Oh, let's get back to work.
There it is. All right, what do you think?
They look good. Like the floorboards, the shift pegs, the bars came out really good. I'm very happy with them.
Can you go over what people were asking about during the stream so people don't ask it a million times in the comments?
So they're asking if the bars were going to be blocking the gauges. Not the important ones, which the tack and the speedometer.
That's about where the rider position would be.
Yeah, so I'm 6'3".
She's a little bit higher than that.
And these are 12-inch bars, and they are not going straight up. They're actually pulled back a little bit. So I still have full function right here. I can see underneath and over to get to the infotainment center. The fuel gauge and the battery gauge, I'm fine.
Who cares?
Yeah.
And then the cubbies?
Yeah, these still operate just fine. So for wet banana, these work.
And then down here?
So down here, now I'll tell you right, these are Kuryakin. I'm not too keen on the fact of how loose these things are, but that's just how they are. So if you care about that, don't get the Riot ones. They look cool, they're inexpensive, but that's just a poor design.
Yeah.
Next thing to do will be get the Riot highway pegs and windshield. So
Coming soon.
Coming soon. And camp kit and stage 3.
Oh, get out of here. There we go. It helps it focus faster. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's episode. I know you guys really liked this bagger build series when we did it with Ken's bike, so hopefully you guys like the addition of Roadblock's Road Glide 2018 Road Glide Special. We were going to do some stuff with Ken's bike as well, but it turned out to be like a 5-minute job, so we didn't show that. But Roadblock's got a lot of big plans for this bike, so anything that he's not taking to a shop to get done, we'll be doing here in the garage and continuing this bagger build series thing. He's got a lot of good plans, a lot of big stuff, so hopefully that should be entertaining. Also, you guys have a Dyna build series coming out right after this video, probably the next video after this, so keep a lookout for that. But it's not gonna be big stuff, so not trying to hype that one up. But that's gonna do it for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.